Addition. Addition is bringing two or more numbers or things together to make a new total. In other words, addition is the process to find the sum of two or more numbers. Example 1. The column addition method can be used for adding any addition problems with two or more digit numbers, one column, place value, at a time. We can do addition by writing one number below the other and then add one column at a time. In this example, by adding 2 plus 3 we get 5. By adding 1 plus 2 we get 3. By adding 3 plus 3 we get 6. By adding 2 plus 4 we get 6. By adding 7 plus 2 we get 9. Addition of two-digit numbers with carrying. Hundreds, tens, ones. Add the digits in each column. 3 plus 3 equals 6 for the tens column. Hundreds, tens, ones. We will add 9 plus 9 and get 18. We put 8 in the ones column and 1 is the carry. Then add 9 plus 7 plus 1, carry, and get 17. We put 7 in the tens column and 1 is the carry which we place in hundreds column. Addition of three-digit with carrying. Thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. We will add 0 plus 0 and get 0. We put 0 in the ones column. Then add 4 plus 5 and we get 9. We put 9 in the tens column. Then add 3 plus 9 we get 12. We put 2 in the hundreds column and 1 is the carry which we put in thousands column. Thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. We will add 3 plus 7 and get 10. We put 0 in the ones column and 1 as a carry. Then we add 2 plus 8 plus 1, carry, and 11. We put 1 in the tens column and 1 as a carry. Then add 1 plus 9 plus 1, carry, we get 11. We put 1 in the hundreds column and 1 is the carry which we put in thousands column.